Hi, we're going to start IGCSE O levels mathematics. This is my lecture number 1, and we'll be starting out from the basic algebra. And in algebra, we're going to start quadratic equations, right? So first of all, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation, like 2x square minus 32x plus 48, or x square minus 6x plus 8. So such equations are known as quadratic equations. Now question is, how many methods do we have to solve a quadratic equation? So here are a few. Taking common thing, using middle term breaking, using algebraic identities, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a square minus 2ab plus b square, and similarly a square minus b square. These are three algebraic identities. Then we'll be learning complete square method, and at the end quadratic formula, that is very important. Okay, so let's start with factorization. So when we talk about like solving a quadratic equation with the help of factorization, we mean that, okay, first of all, in basic algebra you need to remember, whenever we would be discussing this thing, that a dot b is equal to 0, it is a will be equal to 0 or b would be equal to 0. Okay, we'll be using this concept here. So for example, x square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. Here's a question that solve x square plus 7x plus 10. First they want us to factorize it completely and then solve it. So let's directly do it. Middle term breaking suggests that first into last, whatever number you have, suppose you have a 10. So you need to find out factors of 10 whose sum or difference would be 7. So it is 2 and 5. Okay? 2 and 5 makes 10. So x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. ये हम इस तरह ले रहे होते हैं कि 2 5s are 10, product is 10, and sum or difference is this central value. Okay, this is 7. After doing this, you need to take common x into x plus 2, and then plus 5, it is x plus 2 is equal to 0. And then we have x plus 2 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. अच्छा, ये बात याद रखनी है यहाँ पे कि whenever there is a product a dot b equals to 0 in mathematics algebra में, तो either a is 0 or b is 0, we are going to investigate for both. ठीक है, तो जब हम अब यहाँ से ये लिखेंगे कि भाई ये x plus 2 is equal to 0 and x plus 5 is equal to 0, that makes it x equals to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 5. So these are two solutions for this equation, और हमने factorization की help से इसको solve किया. Let's solve one more question. एक और question को यहाँ पे solve कर लेते हैं. Let's do part B, that is x square minus x minus 12. तो x square minus x minus 12, x square minus x minus 12 is equal to 0. जी बेटा, again we can do middle term breaking first into last, multiply करेंगे, हमारे पास आ रहा है 12 minus 12. अब हमें 12 के फैक्टर चाहिए जिनका सम और डिफरेंस 1 हो और प्रोडक्ट minus 12. So you can say that this is 3 4s are 12. ठीक है, 1, अच्छा आप इसको यूँ लिख लिया करो, 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are, and 3 4s are. So you need to pick a pair. एक पेयर ऐसा ढूंढना है जिसका सम और डिफरेंस सेंट्रल वैल्यू और प्रोडक्ट उसका 12 बन रहा हो. ठीक है, तो 4 3s are 12, और अगर हमें माइनस यहाँ पे चाहिए, वी नीड टू टेक माइनस विद बिगर वैल्यू 4 के साथ, और ये आ जाएगा. तो ये आपके पास बन रहा है एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4x प्लस 3x माइनस 12 इज इक्वल टू 0. ठीक है, एंड दिस इज x माइनस 4 प्लस 3 3 4s are 12 इज इक्वल टू 0। अच्छा, यहाँ पे एक हिंट होता है, एक चीज़ होती है जिसको आपने याद रखना है। अगर आफ्टर टेकिंग कॉमन दीज वैल्यूज़ आर करेक्ट, दीज वैल्यूज़ आर सेम, दैट मीन्स आपकी फैक्टराइजेशन ठीक है, राइट। एंड नाउ वी हैव x minus 4 taken as common and x plus 3 is equal to 0। अभी जिस तरह डिस्कस किया है कि whenever we have a dot b equal to 0 we are going to put both equal to 0, right। x minus 4 को भी 0 के इक्वल रख देंगे और x plus 3 को भी 0 के इक्वल रख देंगे। ये आपके पास आ रहा है x equals to minus 3 and x is equal to 4। एक ही आ रहा है आपके पास और एक ही आ रहा है आपके पास, राइट। अच्छा, आफ्टर दिस जो सेकेंड चीज़ हमने यहाँ पे लिखी हुई है कि व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज़ यूजिंग एल्जेब्रिक आइडेंटिटीज़, टेकिंग कॉमन और मिडिल टर्म ब्रेकिंग के बाद यूजिंग एल्जेब्रिक आइडेंटिटीज़, उनकी हेल्प से कैसे हम लोग फैक्टराइजेशन कर सकते हैं। ओके, यूजिंग एल्जेब्रिक आइडेंटिटीज़। Using algebraic identities. Okay, ये तीन these three are algebraic identities: a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, और a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, और लास्ट में a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b। क्वेश्चन आपके पास बेटा कुछ इस फॉर्म में आएंगे, मे बी x square minus 9 is equal to 0। Now you know that this can be written as x square or minus 3 square, right? So that is going to be x plus 3, so wait, ये आ जाएगा आपके पास x plus 3 into x minus 3 is equal to 0। So that would be x plus 3 equal to 0 and x minus 3 equals to 0। That is exactly equal to x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 3। These are two solutions। अब हम एक और क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे ट्राई कर सकते हैं, मे बी एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4x प्लस 4 इज इक्वल टू 0। Here is another hint, अगर फर्स्ट वैल्यू और लास्ट वैल्यू is becoming a complete square, as you can see that this is x square and this is 2 square, what you can do is you can try 2ab at the center, so 2 into x into 2, ठीक है। if this becomes x minus 2 whole square, then you can take square root on both sides, that makes it x minus 2 equal to 0 and value of x becomes equal to 2। Let's do some more examples on it। So here are a couple of questions। 4x square minus 25y square। अब क्या करना है हमने यहाँ पे in part A, that is equal to 4x square minus 25y square। So what you can do is this is 2x whole square minus 5y whole square, keeping in mind that a square minus b square is basically equal to a plus b into a minus b, right? So this is 2x plus 5y and 2x minus 5y। So you have completely factorized it। अगर ये इसमें equal to 0 कर देता है, it makes it an equation, तो फिर आप इसको accordingly solve कर सकते हो। But here they have just asked you to factorize it, तो आपने इसको factorization तक ही छोड़ देना है, ठीक है। Similarly, ये जो next question है in part B, we have 8x square minus 18y square। So your first approach while factorization is if you can take something common। So यहाँ पे हमारे पास I guess 2 common आ रहा है, that makes it 2 4x square minus 9y square। ये 2 साथ ही आता रहेगा, that makes it 2x whole square minus 3y whole square, right? And then you can add it, that is 2 into 2x plus 3y 2x minus 3y, right? So you have factorized it completely, right? So here is another question. We know that a minus b whole square is basically equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. ठीक है? So we are using this x minus y whole square is equal to 116 and it is given that xy is also 24. Find the value of x square plus y square. अच्छा, अब ये 2 कैंसिल हो सकता है to 58. So x minus y whole square is equal to 58. Now अगर हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को ओपन करेंगे, it's x square minus 2xy plus y square, that is equal to 58, right? And we are going to substitute values. X square minus 2 times 24 plus y square is equal to 58, right? And this is x square plus y square minus 48 is equal to 58. So x square plus y square is equal to 58 plus 48. We are going to take 48 on right hand side, ठीक है? और ये आपके पास आ जाएगा x square plus y square is equal to 106. That is your final answer for this. ठीक है? So these are exam time questions. इस तरह के questions आपके पास एग्जाम्स में आ सकते हैं. ठीक है बेटा? See you in next lecture. अलजेब्रा के जो सेकंड पार्ट होगा इंशाल्लाह. Okay, thank you.